Now on level 3 of the scaffolding, or lift 3, and we're right next to a section of the windows where some of the tracery is exposed. As part of the restoration work, the stone has been conserved, and behind it we've got the actual fragments of medieval glass. The glass has been taken out of the frames and taken to a workshop, and Holywell Glass have been conserving it. That means they've been photographing and drawing the glass before any repairs happened, and very carefully separating out the lead cames from the glass and doing repairs to stop it delaminating or any future sort of damage that could be caused. And they've also cleaned the glass and then put it back in the lead cames, and it's now been reset into the windows. Now there's a series of 4 figures, and there's 2 in these lights and 2 further on behind me. They're really quite comical characters. I think I've suggested they might be grumpy angels, but they're more likely musicians, and just the way they've been painted, they have this sort of very sort of sad sort of character about them. But they're playing different musical instruments, and they're clearly representing music and song within the cathedral. A variety of colours have been used for the glass, and then the actual detail of the faces and the instruments and the clothing has been carefully hand painted on and then fused into the glass as part of the process of creating the window itself. And now they've been restored and put back, there's a protective layer of glass with cames behind it. Again, this is going to help protect the surface of the inner face of the glass from the elements, and again will ensure that they'll be part of the cathedral for many hundreds of years to come.